Dear viewers and subscribers, welcome again to our YouTube channel Max the Service. Please subscribe and press the bell icon to receive all notifications regarding any video we are uploading on this channel. Last session we have covered circuit breaker with resilience for J, which is the library provided by Java. We implemented and integrate it with Spring Boot application. Before moving forward with the rest of microservice architecture and its component like config, auth, API gateway, and also other services, I realized that we must be starting with GitHub Action to make all of this automatic. To make our flow automatic, I just created an example how to integrate and implement GitHub Action with our current demo project, which is based on Spring Boot and Angular. So let's start how to integrate and print hello message with GitHub Action with Spring Boot application. Okay guys, today we will be demonstrating how to integrate GitHub Action workflow with our current project. We have been working with demo project with the series of all DevOps and full stack development. So you can go into GitHub and here is GitHub. You can go and clone whatever you want. So it is a demo project and demo UI available for you, so you can start working with this because whatever I am doing with this project I have been updating and committing to GitHub. So today our aim is to just integrate GitHub Action workflow. For that you must have some basic prerequisites, some basic knowledge of basic no knowledge of GitHub. Okay, and then you must have a GitHub account, and you must have your development environment like project. We have this project demo project with the backend Java Spring Boot, and then we have demo UI in Angular. So as a full stack development, everything I'm doing practically I'm committing into GitHub repository. To start with GitHub Action, first I will go to our repository, and here you will be clicking on action, right? After going to action, then remember that you must go into your first repository because you are going to create your GitHub Action for that demo project. So for demo UI we will be creating other one. Okay, so right now we have number of options like Docker image, Docker publishing Java project as a package with Maven, and we will be using just with Maven. So today we are going to just print hello world message, and for that I will be just going with the Java and Maven. Okay, furthermore because we are using Maven with Spring Boot, so that I'm choosing as a basic Java with Maven. So we have also number of options. We can also choose if we are using any other language. We can also choose other template. So these are the templates because you can start with creating .github folder, and under that GitHub workflow, then you can create your YML file. So to avoid all of this and make sure the syntax set everything to be fine, then just I will be creating that workflow with this template. So here you can see that we have name like Java's CI continuous integration with Maven, and then we have action on push and pull request. Whenever someone will create pull request, this workflow will execute, and all the jobs and steps, everything what we have mentioned will execute one by one. And on every push, whenever we will be doing some coding and we will be typing like git push, then this workflow again will trigger. So I will show you. So first of all I just will be printing hello world, okay, and for that I will just need to run a command like I can just remove everything, okay, and here you can see I will be, it's a step name display message, and here I will be providing echo max the service. Okay guys, so rest of I'm going to delete to avoid confusion. Once we have done, because right now we are just creating, implementing, integrating GitHub Action with our current project. So after this we will start working with a lot of more like Docker Compose, Maven build, everything will be handling through this workflow. So I will be just committing this change, okay, and here we need to create Maven file name, and now I am going to create demo YML, and this is GitHub Action workflow file for demo project, right? Okay. Okay, now we have maven.yml and whenever we will push, here you can see it will started, because I have committed this, and it is started workflow like build, and here you can see display message, the message is max the service. Okay, from coding perspective, because we don't have this workflow folder, so I will run git pull, sorry, I will be moving to demo folder and then git pull. Great, here you can see that we have GitHub demo, GitHub workflow and Maven. Okay, so just to demonstrate it again, hello max the service, just I will be running command git add git commit message change in the message, and then I will write git push. So this workflow will run again. Here you will see, because on push, yeah, change in the message, so you will be able to see the message hello maxi service, here you can see. So guys, this is very simple and very important, because onward whatever we are going to automate like continuous integration, continuous deployment, CICD features, apart from what even though on any event on GitHub, because if someone from your team is going to push the code or creating merge requests, whatever action he is performing in the team, then you can run this workflow to make sure that all the stuff on the repository, your project is up to date and working fine. There is no any issue with the current code, with the current structure, everything is working fine, so that you can deploy that easily, even though we will be deploying all of this with the GitHub action. So in next session I will be starting with more action, like we will be building this project with Maven build, and then we will be using Docker Compose and Docker file, and again we will be deploying all these images. After building those images with Docker Compose, we will be deploying on those pushing those image to the uh, Docker desktop. Okay, Docker Hub. From Docker Hub, we can then clone and deploy all those images on the cloud, like AWS last example we have done, and you can also watch that. And that is also available on Max the Service channel. So this is very simple, and let's connect in another session, creating another microservice, like because we will be using microservice architecture, we will be developing config service, API gateway, Eureka registry server, auth server, and also rest of services to communicate with each other. So please subscribe if you have not, and stay connected. You will be able to learn from A to Z on the full stack development and DevOps. Thank you. Bye. Okay, please subscribe my channel if you have not subscribed yet, and also do like, share in your circle these videos, and also provide your valuable comments. And I hope you will be liking and sharing, so that I will be continuing